hobbies and gaming.
Do your
We're getting ready to play
do your
some
work voice.
game. Man, I'm trying to do the intro. It's live right now. What the heck? We're about to work. We're about to play a new game on Roblox. Thank you if you're tuning in right now. Thanks for watching. And here we go. What's the name of the game?
Chain together.
All
Join
right,
me and Matt.
join Matt.
Chance,
Chance,
you
where
gonna
you
join?
at, Chance? You playing? Yeah.
Chance, you gotta hurry up.
All right, it's our
Did
first
you
time
join?
playing this
All
game.
right, everyone, over here at the 4 player. We wait.
Oh, shoot, I thought. Oh, it's like,
Go.
You can hear yourself?
yeah, like it's loud, like the echo's loud.
Oh, for real?
I
Okay.
think they got me.
Heck clear too.
Oh, because I got my control under the laptop where it's recording your.
Come on,
So
Dad.
this is
Come
just
to
a
me.
test, so we
Come
can
to
get
me
all
or I'm
this stuff up.
jumping. We will have to wait for everyone because someone's late.
Yeah.
Chance, come down here. We just need Chance to come down here.
Come down the steps over here.
Well, I gotta put your phone on the charger. Hold on.
Chance, are you using headphones, Chance?
Yeah.
Uh, how's it? How are you getting feedback then if you're using headphones?
That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm using too.
And it helps you getting feedback too, Matt?
Yeah. I'm using Bluetooth.
Oh, hold on. I gotta figure out if you're getting feedback because it's my controller. That's why. That means you guys gotta mute. You guys already mute the family gaming account, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my.
Yeah. Oh,
Hello. I
I'm
still hear myself.
trying to think who you guys should mute.
Yeah, I muted it and I still hear myself.
I think it's because you have the controller right by the.
Wait, what?
Yeah, but
Speak, and then he
I know, but I
speaks,
needed
and
to
then
record their vocals. So I'm trying to figure out.
where the.
No.
Okay, try it now. I'm gonna take my controller away from the laptop. See if that works. Try it. See if it.
Yeah, see.
I can hear myself in the distance now.
Okay, so it is a controller. Dang, how do I fix that, man? How do I fix the audio on my controller?
Yeah.
If I do that, then you guys not gonna hear me. Watch. Let me try unmute the 808 account and see if that works. Hold on.
Yeah, it's probably that.
That's why it's like that. Um,
One has to be further to the other one. It cannot be close because then you're just going to echo throughout the while.
I'm trying to figure out how to record everyone's voice. That's why I need that capture card so I can catch everyone's voice. Well, that's why we're trying to test all this out, see how it works. So. Are you guys still echoing?
No. No.
I think so.
Okay, let's. This is just a test. I'll delete this video after. We're just trying it out.
Come over here around
Alright.
jumping. Come to this side. You guys are looking away from me.
Oh, okay.
This side. Where's Matt?
Is it all four of us gonna be team?
Yeah. Where's?
Yeah.
Come on, Chance.
Chances I have to get over here before somebody else walks in it. Chance.
Yeah, I gotta make sure the video is good.
Alright. Okay. Okay. Line up in a line to see who's first, last, and
Go. This way, guys.
Oh, who are these random people we locked up with?
No, it's just Chance. Staying
No,
still.
it's just only us four.
It's Chance. Chance, move.
All right.
Chance is last. I said he's
Chance
last,
is the only one
second,
holding
and
us
Matthew's
back
first.
right now. Chance.
Chance.
Huh?
Chance.
Come on, man.
Come on, I'm waiting for you. I'm getting
Sully,
You gotta back.
waiting for you.
We walk in a line. We walk in a straight line.
All right.
Matthew first, my dad second, me third, and Chance last because.
No, just move together. That's the only way we can move.
Yep, move together. It's our first time playing this.
Oh,
Look, this guy, he just go right up. Like, Sully.
Whoever on the wrong side, you're not gonna get up.
That's a holding on the wrong side.
So everybody back down. I'm hanging. So I'm just hanging from the.
Oh,
Okay, Matthew go first. Matt goes first. Then me.
Chance.
Chance, your mully stink. Can't even smell. Freaking, why you gotta be right in here?
Oh, wait, now. Dad,
everybody move
Chance or
together.
Matthew first. Matthew first. Dad, you're second.
Yes, sir.
I'm third.
I gotta get the
Chance.
video. All right, make sure I got good video. Okay. Oh, I'm trying to get some good video.
Chance.
Everybody move close. Oh my. Pull me up.
Everybody back up slow now. Back up there. Okay, we're good.
Chance. Matthew, one of you go first.
Oh, everybody crowding up. Oh, yep, got it.
Dude, these people are in the way. Chance. Oh.
Pull Chance up. There you go.
Alright. Go. Matthew. Okay, not Chance.
Oh my God.
Not Chance. Me, then Chance. Chance, you're gonna always go last.
Yeah, everybody move close. Everybody has to be close.
Okay, I'm right here, right at the edge. Ooh, let's go.
Me, Chance.
Hey.
Matthew, you, Dad, you both can fit on that.
Oh, right on the barrel. Huh?
Really, Chance?
Hey, we're doing good. Here we go.
We fall. We go all the way back to the beginning. It's a lot of progress getting all the way back up.
Ooh. Oh, Sully, who knocked me down? Sully, someone pulled a chain. Okay, hold up.
Why did you go like that?
There, we're good. We good. 1, 2, yeah, everybody else. Yeah, there you guys go.
Come on.
Let them go first. Because they're blocking.
Waiting for chance.
Chance. Jump. Please.
Chance, if you don't jump, there you go.
Hey, everybody.
Wait
Let
for
them go
them.
first. Because they're blocking us.
Oh, wait. They're not blocking anymore.
Okay, jump, Chance.
Sully. How are we supposed to do this? I don't want to die. Sully. Alright. Are you slapping you? Yes, jokey. Alright, this is just a test. I'm gonna turn off broadcasting. Alright.
Chance. You always dragging us behind.
Hold on, let me turn it off. That was just a
You guys
test.
were not supposed to jump.
Stop.
I was supposed to jump.
Alright. Thank you for watching. That's a short clip. We're gonna